PWD minister seems to be also cropping up in this issue. What is it?
The buck will stop at the door of Manohar Parrikar. Please remember that. So there is no question of nobody involved. When you point one finger at others, the same finger that points at you, four fingers will point at yourself. Remember, this thing is a continuation process. Even the level of assembly has been reduced to misbehavior by some of the MLAs of the ruling. This same trend will continue. Now this trend of taking revenge on the opposition will start again. It will happen like Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, it has happened like that. Where this government, when it comes to power, attacks the other government. It will happen. And the same, I have said, there is no question of without all these issues, any politics happens. Now, what is right and wrong, the matter is sub judice. I won't go into the merits of the case. But I will tell you one thing, like Tejpal, what has happened, same thing will happen, another Tejpal will happen in the next government. Like what has happened in the JICA, another one will happen. So but the result, what will come out is a legal process. No, but